You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to copy files with specific file extension to a folder on computer using Python. For example, if you want to copy all the JPG images of your computer in a folder, then you can use this program. This program is very fast and easy. I am applying this program on Windows operating system. I have already installed two packages. First package is OS operating system and second package is Shutil, SHUTIL. My environment is Anaconda and I am using Spider as an IDE. Let's start coding. First of all, we will import both the packages. First package is OS and second package is Shutil. Next, we will take extension as an input from the user, and that extension is stored in a string named extn. Extension may be .jpg, .png, .exe like this. Next, we will ask the name of destination folder from the user where we will copy all the files. Here, user will input destination folder with path where he want to store all the files. Next, we will check whether destination folder is exist or not. If destination folder is not exist, then we will create a new folder on the given path by the user. Next, we will create a user-defined function named myDrives. In this function, we will find all the drives of the hard disk on this computer. In this function, first of all, I will create an empty Python list named drives. Next, I will run a for loop from number 65 to 90. Here 65 is the ASCII code of capital A letter and 90 is the ASCII code of capital Z. Next, we will convert each ASCII number into a character by using chr function, then add colon with each character. Next, we will check which drive from character A to character Z is exist on our computer. Then if any drive is present, then we will append that drive letter on the Python list drives. At last, we will return the Python list drives. Next, we will create a function that will return a list of files with given extension. The name of function is myFiles. In this function, first of all, we will declare extn as a global variable so that we can use this string in myFiles function. Next, we will create an empty Python list named files. Next, we will call myDrive function with for loop. This loop will give all the drives of your computer one by one. Next, we will call os.walk function with for loop that will give all the files of the given drive. It will give us root directory R, subdirectory D, and all the files F. Next, by using for loop, we will read each file of the given drive one by one. Here we will check the extension of each file as per the given extension by the user. If we find the file with correct extension, then first of all we will create the full path of that file, and then we will add the name of that file to our Python list files. Next, we will return the Python list files. Next, we will create a user-defined function named copy files that will copy all the files with correct extension to destination folder. In this function, first we will declare destination folder variable as a global. Next, we will initialize a counter variable with 0. Next, we will call myFiles function with for loop and read each file one by one. First of all, we will print every file by using print function. Next, we will copy that file to destination folder by using function shutil.copy. This function has two parameters. First parameter is source file and second parameter is destination folder. If we are performing copy operation on already existed folders, then it will not overwrite or delete already stored files. Next, we will increment counter with 1. Here counter will show the number of files with correct extension stored in destination folder. Next, we will print total number of files using counter variable. At the end of this program, we will call the function copy files in public area. Next, we will run the program. In output window, it is asking for extension. We are entering GIF because we want to copy all the GIF images to C drive. Our destination folder name is Pinto in C drive. Next, it is copying all the GIF file to destination folder. There are 1222 GIF files that we have copied to destination folder. Next, we will open C drive and it is showing a new folder Pinto. Now we are opening the folder. These are the GIF files stored in Pinto folder in C drive. Now we are ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class.